Hello everyone. So today's recipe is going to be super easy pancake recipe. And these are called blender pancakes. All you need are some oats, really ripe bananas, baking powder, vanilla. I'm adding some cinnamon and a bit of salt and some water. And then you just put everything in your blender and blend. So let's go ahead and do it. Now your pancake batter is ready. Okay, now you see we have a nice thick batter. Okay, now to make the pancakes, I just pour some batter. And you can make them just plain if you like, but I really like blueberries, so I'm going to add some. Now in the pan. Okay, I'm going to try flipping them again. Oh. All right. I probably should have tried flipping them a little bit sooner. That's a bit dark. Okay. I think these are ready. All right. Here they are. So these tend to get a little dark. I'm not sure why, but here, I'll just cut one open for you. They would smell really good, and they have a nice thick texture. I'm gonna try this. Really good, a really good hearty texture. You really know you're eating whole food, and they're delicious, and you can't go wrong with blueberries. So there you go. Hope you liked it.